In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in DocuSign. Whether you're updating your signature style or need to correct a previous version, making changes is simple once you know where to go. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by locating your profile icon. You'll find this at the top right corner of your DocuSign interface. Clicking on your profile is the gateway to accessing your account settings, where you can manage a variety of options tailored to your needs. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, the next step is to select Manage Profile. This section contains several important settings, but for today, we're focusing on updating your signature. Now, on the left side panel, you'll see a Signatures tab. Go ahead and click on that. This is where DocuSign stores all the digital signatures associated with your account. You'll see a list of your current signatures. Each of these is your digital identity when signing electronic documents, so maintaining an up-to-date version is important. Should you want to change one, begin by selecting the existing signature you wish to update. The interface makes it straightforward to delete them. Simply choose the one you want and select the Delete option. This will remove the outdated signature from your list. After you've cleared any old signatures that need updating, look for the Add Signature button located at the top right of your screen. Clicking this will open up options for you to create a new signature. This is where DocuSign gives you the flexibility to personalize your signature according to your preference. You have three excellent choices here. First, there's the option to choose a generated signature. This is a quick and easy way to create a professional-looking signature without much hassle. If you prefer something more personal, you can draw your signature using either a touch screen or your mouse. And for those who have a specific design already created, you can even upload an image of your handwritten signature. Once you've decided on the method that works best for you, and you've crafted your new signature, the next step is to simply click on the Create button. And that's it. You've successfully changed your DocuSign signature. Now, whenever you sign a document, your updated signature will automatically be used. Remember that keeping your digital identity in these platforms current ensures a smooth signing process in all your digital transactions. Thank you for following along with me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you need to make changes in the future.